Urhulumente waseRhawutini ubekele bucala izigidi ezingama-50 eerandi, 50 million rand, ukuvuselela iphulo lengqesho elaziwa ngokuba zingenasi ispani. Inkulubaphathiswa uPanyaza Lesufi kubhengeze oku kusasa, eqaqambisa ukuba iphondo lijongene nenqwaba yemisebenzi yolwakhiwo eshiywe ingagqitywanga, kwaye ngeli phulo ulutsha luza kuqeshwa ukuba luncedise ekugqibezeleni kwale misebenzi. Lo kaLesufi wongeza ngelithi inasi ispani iza kuqinisa ukuzimela kukarhulumente kwaye inciphise ukuthembela kokusokhontraka babucala.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe saseGauteng wethula uhlelo lokuthuthukisa amakhono abantu abaningi ebizwa ngenasi ispani reloaded. Namhlanje ekuseni uNdunankulu waseGauteng ukuPanyaza Lesufi ube nesithangami nabezindaba la enabe khona kabanzi ngalolu hlelo.
The province of Gauteng held its executive lekgotla last week for 2 days to deliberate and expand in a manner in which to reignite the economy of our province, but most importantly fight crime and create opportunities that will ensure that services are rendered in our schools and health facilities. One area which we have deep interest is to use infrastructure expansion as a basis for economic development in our province. We come to you to declare that unfortunately there are going to be unprecedented number of evictions and dismantling of informal settlement in our province. The number of informal settlements that are mushrooming even in our urban areas and in some areas within our cities is now reaching a disturbing levels, and we have no choice but to fight back and push back those that have taken advantage of the legal gaps that are available within this sector.
uNdunankulu uphinde wabalula izingqinamba isifundazwe sibhekene nazo okubalwa kuzo inselelo yamanzi, inselelo yokusetshenziswa kwezidakamizwa zobudlabha. Ubese balula ukuthi lolu hlelo luhlose ukulungiselela abantu abasha nokuqeda inselelo yamathuba omsebenzi ngokusheshsha bese bethuthukisa amakhono abantu abasha. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseGoli.